I'm Kishore John, URK24CS 1064. This video is all about DSA Lab's 7th experiment, implementation of doubly linked list in Python. Come on, let's get into the video. So as you could see, this is the code for our doubly linked list. Now, I'll explain each and every code concept. Okay, let's get started. First of all, what is a doubly linked list? A doubly linked list is a linear data structure where each node contains three parts. The data, a link to the previous node, and a link to the next node. This allows traversal in both directions. Now let's look at the program. I have created two classes, a class node and a class doubly linked list. The node has three attributes, a data to store, a previous pointer, and a next pointer to the next node. The doubly linked list has class which contains the head pointer, which is initialized in the constructor. If the head is none, that means the list is empty. Now coming to the main operation, insert friend. This method adds, or insert at beginning. This method adds a new node at the beginning of the list. If the list is empty, the new node becomes the head. Otherwise, it links the new node before the head and updates the pointer. Insert at end. This method adds a new node at the end. It traverses the list till the last node, then connects the new node to the end. Insert before. Basically, this is similar to the previously discussed operations, but the similarity is the previous one, but this adds the new node after the given key. While the delete of removes the node that contains the given key. It carefully updates the previous and next links to keep the list connected even after deletion. Display off. This displays and prints all the node values from head to the end in the format data to none. Now let's run the code. So as you could see, this program clearly demonstrates the major operations of doubly linked list. Here, after all insertions, the list looks like 10. So we have inserted 10 at the end and 20 at the end, and also 5 at the beginning and 15 afterwards, 10. So forward traversal just looks like 5, 10, 50, and backward traversal looks like 2, 20, 15, and 10, 5, which is exactly what we have wanted as we have given the prompt below the code. So this clearly demonstrates doubly linked list operation in Python. Thank you.